Hello children, a wonderful morning to all. I am back with our today's lesson. Yes, in our previous lesson we learned about new sound pattern in our phonics session, right? Yes, today we are going to learn how to read the words by blending technique. Before that I want you to clap your hands. You just clap your hands for 3 seconds. Shall we start clap? Yes, I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good cuties. Let us move on to our today's lesson. Look at this. Yes, what are these? These are the new blend sound we learned in our last class, right? Look at the first blend sound. What is this? Bl. Bl. Say along with me. Bl. Let us move on to the second blend sound. What is the blend sound, ma? What is the sound of this blend sound? Gl. Gl. Repeat it again. Gl. Yes, look at the third one. Yes, what is the sound of this blend sound? S. P. L. S. P. L. Spl. What is this? Spl. Say along with me. Spl. Yes. Bl. Gl. Spl. These are the blend sounds we learned in our previous classes. Yes, we also learned some words with these blend sound, right? Yes, today we are going to learn how to read the words, right? Yes, we know about the sounds, but we don't know how to read this word. Just hold on. Look at the words, mom. Yes, we already learned about the blending technique, right? What we have to do for this blending technique, you just stretch your left hand and then we have to identify the beginning, middle and then end sound of the word. And then for this beginning sound, we have to touch your shoulder. And then middle sound, we have to touch our forearm. And then for the end sound, we have to touch our wrist, right? Yes, we already learnt about this blending technique. Yes, now we have to read this word by using blending technique. Listen to me carefully. What is the beginning blend sound of this word? Yes, before we going to identify this, you just stretch your hand. Stretch your left hand, right? I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Very good cuties. Yes, look at the first beginning blend sound. What is the beginning blend sound of this word? Bl. Yes, for this beginning blend sound, you have to touch your shoulder. And then what is the middle sound of this word? A. For this middle sound, you have to touch your forearm. And then end sound. What is the end sound of this word? B. For this end sound, you have to touch your wrist. Bl. A. B. Bl. A. B. By little faster, we join all the sounds together. Bl. A. B. Bl. A. B. Blab. Blab. Say along with me. Blab. Yes. What word is this? Blab. Like this, try to read rest of these two words as your own. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I hope you all read this word very well. Let I show you how to read this word. What is the beginning blend sound of this word? Gl. Middle sound? A. End sound? D. Gl. A. D. Gl. A. D. Glad. Glad. Let us see the next word. What is the beginning blend sound? Spl. Middle sound? E. N sound, N. Spl, E, N. Spl, E, N. Spleen. What is this? Spleen. I hope you all understood this. Yes. Now be ready with your SR book. Yes. I have to open SR8 and the page number 63. I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, today we are going to read the words of these blend sounds again. Right? Look at the first blend sound. What blend is this? Bl. Say along with me. Bl. Blue. Bl. Blocks. Bl. Blood. Bl. Black. Bl. Blab. Bl. Blam. Bl. Bled. Bl. Blip. What is this? Blip. Bl. Blob. Bl. Blot. Let us move to the next blend words. Turn next page, SR9. Look at the next blend sound. Gl. What blend is this? Gl. Glass. Gl. Glouse. Gl. Globe. Gl. Glow. Gl. Glad. What is this? Glad. Gl. Glen. Gl. Glib. Gl. Glob. Gl. Glum. Gl. Glut. Okay, cuties. You also try to read this word by using the blending technique. We already learnt the blending technique, right? Yes, just use the blending technique to read this word as your own independently, ma. You just try to read this independently. Let us move on to our whole words part. Today we already learnt some new whole words, right? Yes, we already learned some new whole words in our previous classes. In our today's class, we will learn how to write the spelling of the words. Yes, how to write the spelling of the new words we have learned in our unit so far. So be ready with your notebook, pencil, eraser. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay children, have you all ready with your notebook and then pencil? Yes. Now we going to read the word first and then I going to say the spelling of each and every word. You just follow me and then say the spelling of word and then write in your notebook. Shall we start to read? Yes. Look at the first word. What is this? Again. Again. Say along with me. Again. A, G, A, I, N. Again. Yes, now start write in your notebook. Say the spelling of this word and then start to write. Say and write the spelling, ma. Yes. A, G, A, I, N. Again. I give you 2 seconds to complete this word. 1, 2. Yes. Shall we move to the next word? Look at the next word, ma. Both. Both. Repeat again. Both. B, O, T, H. Both. B, O, T, H. Both. I give you 2 seconds to write this word. Say and write the spelling in your notebook. Shall I start countdown? 2, 1, 0. Yes, let us move on to the next word. Look at the word ran. What is this? Ran. R-A-N. Ran. R-A-N. Ran. Yes. Say the spelling and then try to write the word in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds. Yes, just say and write the spelling, ma. Don't scribble on your notebook. Your handwriting must be neat and legible. Shall I start countdown? 2, 1, 0. Yes, if you didn't complete means you just pause the video and then try to complete the word. Yes. Yes. See the next word. Looked. Looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. Say and write the spellings, ma. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Let us move on to the next word. See the next word. Down. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. I give you 2 seconds to write this word. 2, 1, 0. Shall we move to the next word? Look at the next word, ma. Take. Take. T-A-K-E. Take. T-A-K-E. Take. Just say and write the spelling. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Shall we move to next word? Look at the next word, ma. Full. What is this? Full. F-U-L-L. Full. Repeat again. F-U-L-L. Full. Yes, say and write the spelling of this word in your notebook. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. See the next word. No. No. K-N-O-W. No. K-N-O-W. No. Say and write the spelling. Handwriting must be neat. Don't scribble on your notebook. I start countdown. 2, 1, 0. Yes, look at the next word. Only. Only. O-N-L-Y. Only. Only. O-N-L-Y. Only. I give it 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. I hope you are completed writing this. Yes, now we have to open your worksheet 7. Yes, look at the answers for our yesterday's worksheet. Worksheet 7. A and B question. If you complete means you just make a self-correction with your answers. I give it 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Answer for the C, D and then E questions. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Yes, if you didn't finish means you just pause the video and then complete this worksheet in your workbook. Yes, let us move to our next part. Be ready with your SR 12 in your SR book. Yes, you have to open SR 12 on the page number 67 in unit 7 ma. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, now we are going to read this story. Yes, you just read along with me, ma. Just point out with your finger and then have to follow me and then read as your own in your SR book. Yes, what is the title of this story? A visit to the planetarium. A visit to the planetarium. What is planetarium? Did you ever seen this planetarium? Yes. Planetarium means it is a theater. Planetarium is a theater built for shows about space objects. Space object means asteroids, meteors, like this, and then stars, planets in the night sky. Planetarium is a theater built for shows about space objects like asteroids, meteors, and then planets, stars in the night sky, right? Yes, now we're going to read the story along with me. You too read in your SR book. Author Sakshi Bhatia, illustrator Kirk D. Penna. Yes, when we start reading means while reading, when you come across any new words, you just have to find the meaning of the new words by the help of contextual clues, right? Yes, we already learned how to find the meaning of a new word with the help of 2 steps. One is by seeing the picture and the another one is we have to read the another words in the sentence. With the help of these 2 steps we can find the meaning of a new word. As while we reading, when you come across a new word means you just find the meaning for the new words, right? It was the last day of holidays. Papa decided to take us to the planetarium. We went to the planetarium by car. Yes. For this holiday, they move on to the planetarium by car. Let us see the second page. It was a huge building, dark from inside. The gods told us to walk silently. Silently means don't make noise, right? Yes, not to make noise. How to find the word meaning for this silently? Yes, look at this. It's a very silent place. Look at this God. They keep this finger on the mouth. This means the God told us to walk silently. Silently means not to make noise. We could see the beautiful rooftop. The roof was full of planets and stars. It was beautiful. Rooftop means, yes, in a building, every building has a roof, right? Rooftop. In the rooftop was full of, look at the picture, the rooftop was full of planets and then stars. These are the planets, right? And then look at the small thing. This is the stars. Turn next page. We learnt new things about the planets. Did you know Earth is the only planet that has water? And Jupiter is 11 times bigger than Earth. It was surprised to hear that. Cuties, remember when you come across a new word means you just use the 2 steps to guess the meaning of the word. Finally, we will check out the meaning for that new words. Shall we move to the next page? Look at the 6th page. There were shooting stars too. At first, my sister and I were scared, but they were not real. So we laughed. Look at the next page. It was a memorable day. I asked my family, why were there no aliens? Everyone laughed. Did you find the meaning for the new words? Yes. Just we're going to check out the meaning for the new words. Look at the words, ma. Yes, vocabulary words. Huge. Huge means big. Huge means big. பெரிய அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, like that. Huge-na big. Yes, next word, silently. Look at the picture. Yes, what the God was doing. He keeps the finger on her mouth, right? Yes, silently, without any noise. சத்தம் போடாமல் இருக்க சொல்கிறோங்க இல்லையா, அதுதான் silently. Dark. Dark means no light. இருட்டாக இருக்குது, அதுதான் dark. Look at the next word, God. A person who watches or protects. Godனா நம்மளை யாரை பாதுகாக்கிறாங்க இல்லையா, நம்மளை வந்து பாதுகாக்கிறவங்க எல்லாருமே வந்து காடுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க, சரியா? காடு நம்மளை வந்து வேறு எனிமீஸ்ட் இருந்தோ இல்லை மற்ற ஏதாவது இருந்து நம்ம வந்து இது பண்ணாமல் இருக்கக்காக நம்மளை வந்து வாட்ச் பண்ணி நம்மளை வந்து பாதுகாக்கிறவங்க தான் காட். சர்ப்ரைஸ்டு, ஷாக்டு. சர்ப்ரைஸ்ட்னா ஷாக்டு. இப்போ ஏதாவது கிஃப்ட் யாராவது கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னா என்ன ஆகும், நமக்கு ரொம்ப ஷாக்காக இருக்கும் இல்லையா, ஓ கிஃப்ட்டு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க ஸோ அப்படின்ட்டு ரொம்ப சர்ப்ரைஸ் ஆகும், அதுதான் சர்ப்ரைஸ்டு. மெமரபிள், சம்திங் டு ரிமெம்பர். இப்போ நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு பிளேஸ்லாம் போயிட்டு இருந்தோன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்ம அதை ரொம்ப ஞாபகம் வச்சு திரும்ப எகெயின் அதை திரும்ப நம்ம சொல்லுவோம், அந்த பிளேஸ் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு, அந்த பிளேஸ் இங்கே இப்படி இருந்துச்சு, நாங்கள் அங்கே போனோம், அதை பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. அப்போ அது எல்லாமே வந்து என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், மெமரபிள். சம்திங் டு ரிமெம்பர், திரும்ப ஞாபகப்படுத்தி பார்க்குறதுக்கு பேர் தான் மெமரபிள். ஓகே children, again you go through these vocabulary words. Yes, read thoroughly. Next you have to open worksheet 8. Yes, in this worksheet you have to answer these 4 sub-part questions A, B, C and D. With the help of the story we read in our SR book, right? A visit to the planetarium. With the help of the story you can answer these questions given in this worksheet 8. You just refer to this story and then try to answer the questions as your own. At the end of our today's session, I will show the answers for this worksheet. Okay children, next we will move on to our grammar session. In our grammar session, I am going to revise about adjectives. We already learnt about adjectives, ma. Yes, what is adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words. Say along with me. Adjectives are describing words that tells us about nouns. That tells us about nouns. Yes. When the word that describe about a noun is known as adjective. The word that describe about the noun is known as adjectives. Yes, look, just we see the examples. Can you say some examples for adjectives? Yes, I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, I will say some examples. You just follow to me. Yes, what are the examples of adjectives? Like tall, short, and then taste means sweet, sweet, and then spicy, it's very spicy, spicy food. And then when we touch anything means soft, like feeling, right? Soft, it feels like soft. Hard, hard. And then lots of examples in adjectives, ma. Let us see some more examples. Look at this. What color is it? Look at this. What color it is? Green, red. What size it is? Big. Big means periya. And then small. Small means Syria. What shape it is? Look at the next one. What shape it is? Round. Yes, round. And then this one, square. Look at the next one. How something smells. If you smell something means how it is smells. Look at this. What is this? Dustbin. Yes, dustbin means the smell of the dustbin is very stinky. Stinky na bad smell irukadu. Okay va? Stinky means very bad smell. If you smell a flower means how it smell? Yes, it smells fresh. When you smell a flower means it smells fresh. Look at the next one. How something feels. If you sit on a pillow, pillow means talahani. தலையணை மேலே கொண்டு எப்படி இருக்கு நமக்கு சாஃப்டாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? Look at the next one. When you sit on a wooden rack, like this means it feels very hard. Look at the next. How something tastes. Yes, spicy. இப்போ நம்ம ஏதாவது மிளகாயை கடிக்கிறோம், நம்ம ஒரு வேளை ஏதாவது மிளகாயை கடித்தோம் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்குமா? எஸ், பிகம் ஸ்பைசி, வெரி ஹாட்டா, லைக் திஸ். அண்ட் தென் லுக் அட் திஸ். எஸ், திஸ் பாய் ஈட் a lemon. How is the taste of a lemon? Yes, sour. The taste of the lemon is sour. புளிக்கும் இல்லையா? எஸ், ஸ்பைசினா காரமாக இருக்காது, சோர்னா புளிக்கிறது, புளிப்பாக இருக்கும். Okay, ma? Yes, these are some of the describing words about the nouns, right? Next, you have to open worksheet 9 and the page number 68. Yes, I start countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Look at this first question. Choose an adjective from the box to complete the sentence. Here some adjectives are given in these boxes, right? Below these adjectives there are some sentences are given. You just read the sentence and then you have to find out the correct adjective from the boxes given and then you have to complete the sentence, right? I will do you one example. You just follow me and then try to do the rest of the questions as your own. Look at the first subpart question. There was a dash cloth on the floor. Round, fresh, wet, tasty, slow. What cloth? Maybe wet cloth, right? The cloth may be wet. So that you have to fill this blank with the word wet. Wet cloth. Like this, try to do the rest of the questions. Okay children, today we are going to see in our writing and speaking expression. Yes, we have to do an interesting activity. Now we will see some group of objects in a basket and we will describe the object without telling what it is. Let me show you an example. Look at the words given here. Yes, what word is this? Describe, material and then use. With the help of these three words given, we can describe any object in the basket. Describe means, yes, how it is, how it looks, and then what, and then next material. What kind of material? Maybe paper, rock, and then cloth, like this. The material, the object is made of which kind of material? And then use. Use means how it's used. Uses of that object. Describe அப்படின்னா அது எப்படி இருக்குது, எந்த மாதிரி ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுங்கிறத சொல்லி புரிய வைக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் மெட்டீரியல்னால் அது எதால் அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டு செஞ்சுருக்காங்க. அது ஒரு வேளை ஒரு கிளாத்தாக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை பேப்பராக இருக்கலாம், இல்லை ஏதாவது ஸ்டோன், இல்லை வுட், இந்த மாதிரி கூட இருக்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு யூஸ், அது எதெல்லாம் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படிங்கிறத வச்சோம் நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்டை நம்ம டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேவா? இந்த 3 வச்சு தான் நம்ம வந்து இப்போ ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்க போகிறோம். Look at this, ma. Describe the object. Let us see an example. I going to say about one object. There are some more objects in this basket, right? Yes. I going to say about one object from this basket. Try to find out. Yes, shall we start? It is made of soft white rock. We write with it on the blackboard. Yes, what object is this? Can you guess what is this? Yes, it is chalk. Very good. Let us see one more example. How would you describe the object? What material is the object made of and what is it used for? With the help of 3, we can describe any object. I am going to say one more example. It is a fruit. It is red in color. Yes, it is good for health. Can you find what object is this? I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Yeah, very good. What object is this? Apple. Apple is a fruit. It is red in color. It is good for health. Very good, cuties. Like this, we have to describe any material. You try to your family members. Yes, you try to describe about any object to your family member without say the name. You can't say the name of that object, ma. You just describe the object with the help of the 3. Describe, material and then use. Look at the answer for worksheet 8, ma. A and B question. I give you 3 seconds. You just pause the video and then make a self correction with your answers. 3, 2, 1, 0. This is the answer for C and D question. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Next, worksheet 9. This is the answer for worksheet 9, first question. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, cuties. Yes, you have to complete all these worksheet activities and then send in your WhatsApp group. You just go through the whole words, spelling of the whole words. Again, write 2 times in your notebook, ma'am. And then try to read the story in SR12. A visit to the planetarium and then go through the vocabulary words. Okay, cuties, let us see in our next class. All of you take care. Thank you. Bye.